Scott, we're here at Rosenow Customs. We're about to check in with Shane. This is an event. We want to know, the people want to know, why are you giving free stuff away? It's Forever Lighting. We're going to check it out. Let's go. Oh my goodness. We got to get the dog out there.
Oh my goodness, you guys are the photographers.
Ah, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. What's your dog's name?
Bruno.
Okay.
It's my dad's dog, actually.
Bruno, did you enter to win the Forever Lights at Rosenow Customs today?
Thank you very much.
That is awesome. No, thank you.
This is really nice. This is a real highlight. Thanks for letting us come by and see that. And you're very friendly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. We need that, man.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Shane's a good guy. He runs a great company.
I'm going to keep it in mind. We got rental properties. We always need roofs.
Okay, did you leave your information with them?
My wife just signed up.
They're so fair, I'm telling you.
Sounds good. Thank you very much.
Bye. Who's gonna be on camera? Amy! The people want to know, and I gotta ask them, why would you give away free Forever Lighting?
Because why not?
Right? How awesome is that?
Yes.
Did you just see the people walking by that came in there? And they were walking by, they're like, what's...
That were walking their dog?
Yep. And they were like, what's going on? And I was like, oh, you guys should go in there. Go meet Shane. He's a big, tall, bald guy. Got him.
Did they?
Shane, what's going on here today? What you got going
We're
on?
having our ribbon cutting. It's our 10-year anniversary and our launch of our Forever Light system. Our Forever Lights are track lighting that go in a home. You never have to worry about getting up on a ladder. You never have to replace your lights again. No more. One goes out, they all go out. So frustrating. And we got, you get to see it right here on our videos, man. We've got some lights that are going on some of our houses. It's been one of our most popular items that we've launched. We have time yet to get you in before Christmas, so you can enjoy some of the lighting at Christmas. But these aren't just Christmas lights; they're Forever Lights. They last 50,000 hours. We give you a 10-year labor and material warranty coverage on them. So if they ever go out, we'll cover them for you. They're actually made in Canada, so they withstand the Canada extremes. Super hot to super cold, you name it. These lights are amazing. You can have them do pretty much anything you want. You want a gender reveal. You have a football game. If you're a Packer fan, if you're a baseball fan, if you're a Badger fan, you can have them different colors for any time of the season or any time of event that you want to have. It's pretty awesome.
Do they do like every holiday season too?
Yep, any holiday season you can put them on for Christmas.
So that's what I think is kind of cool, is because if you're one of those people that always like are changing your lights or doing different decorations outside, you got Halloween, you got Christmas, you got anything you could think of.
And let's talk about safety too. First off, you're not on a ladder. You're not having to go ahead and replace the lights. You don't have to take them down. You don't have to store them again. And on top of it, you can actually have them set up like they have on this slide right there. Oh, you missed it. But they actually have where it's just white light, and you can have security light. So if you want your house more secure, so you're not targeted, you don't have to worry about it. You can have your house lit up.
Oh, for security.
People will see your house, and more people will not want to try to break into your house. It gives you a safe peace of mind, things like that. Like a house like that, that's just lit up. All the lights are lit up. You can have 2 on, 1 on, 3 on, multiple off at the same time. You can have it change color. It's pretty neat.
That is cool. And what's going on today is you're literally giving away 100 linear feet of Forever
Right now you
Lights.
come in and see our guys right here.
Who we got?
Introduce yourself.
I'm Ashley.
My name's Carter.
All right, nice to meet
And
you
we
guys.
have 100 linear feet that we're giving away to one lucky person. We're also doing our promotion right now, since it's our 10-year anniversary. We're doing 10% off for a year right now.
That is
You
awesome.
sign up, you get 10% off of your package of your lights. And then you come down, have some drinks, get some free swag,
Free swag. I
stuff
love it.
everybody gets.
Close up.
Everybody loves free stuff.
Oh, absolutely.
What does Michael Scott say? Swag, stuff we all get. So come on down, enjoy the company, get to know some new people. We've got Eddie from This and That food truck out there. He makes a killer anything, you name it, he's got it. But it's really right now, it's got some burritos, he's got sandwiches. Let's take a look over here at this food. We've got everything from, what is that? Quesadilla, sorry Heather. And we've got Philly cheesesteaks. We got another quesadilla back there. I mean,
I know I like one of his Crunch Wraps, dude. I know for sure that's my go-to.
Crunchwrap Supreme. not even a thing at Taco Bell. You got to come here and get it. Come back here again. We got food, we got drinks. Oh, and I've got a sweet tooth, so I got to show you the sweet tooth pile area.
Oh, God, he's got ice cream hiding somewhere. Close up.
World. No ice cream, but check out the desserts. Man,
How did I miss that?
come and eat some desserts, people. At least you got to eat some desserts. I don't get stuck eating them because my coach, Mark Zomaloff, you didn't hear this, but it's Mark Zomaloff would kick my butt if he knew that.
Is Mark's still your coach?
Mark Z is still my coach. I promised that I would not. I would cut back on the sugar. So if he gets me caught eating all this stuff, he's gonna kick me. Make me do I don't know how many burpees.
I'm going
I can't
close
do
up.
It, man. This is awesome.
Oh my goodness!
Everything
Look,
from
they just
homemade
really,
to pre-baked, you name it.
guys,
Come on down
they
and
did
have
this
some.
all for free for you guys, man. That's awesome. What a great company.
But yeah,
So close.
Oh, Jason. We got Big Guy's Handyman here. Yeah. So, Jason, Handyman Company, how's it going? Good? Yeah. How's the food?
Amazing.
Well, thanks for this eating interview.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! We got Mike! We got Bob! We got them all!
You gonna be able to catch those bad guys?
We'll do the best we can.
That's a nice new little.
We got Mr. Vital here. We got Mr. Vital here. Oh my goodness.
Well, you can get any of that too, but the proteins he has is ground beef chicken and chicken.
okay, so don't look at that.
Yeah, you can still get tacos and quesadillas and stuff, but that's actually
Ah, this is a handy husband. He's out of here. He's got to go be handy somewhere. Oh, let me get a close up. Let me get a close up.
The one and only. Hey, home repairs, little or big.
We got you
your
coming
man.
in this next week.
Just give
This
me a
next
call.
week or is it this next week?
I think it's next week.
Hold on. All right.
I got food on my face. I would have known I was gonna be on
Tell me
camera.
about that just real quick.
Make it Facebook famous.
Doing home repairs right here with Derek Lynn. I'm not going to hold you up anymore, dude. Later, bro.
All right, take it easy. Man.
Here we go. Yeah, hey, don't cancel our upcoming appointment either now.
Hey, I got two carpal tunnel surgeries coming up.
Oh, man.
Good luck. Thursday. So I got the next month and a half off.
Okay.
Good luck with that.
I just want to get a really cool shot of this
You
logo.
go right ahead. I'm gonna head out.
Later, Kurt. No, you're good. You're good. All right, team ice cream.
Team ice cream.